Alrighty, happy Monday afternoon. Your full weather forecast brought to you by Scott's Recreation, New England's largest trailer dealer, home of Maine's lowest camper and tractor prices, with locations in Turner, Manchester, Herman, and Orono, Maine. Here we go. Winter storm warnings in effect until Tuesday at about 5 a.m. for these counties highlighted right about in here. This right here is actually a winter weather advisory lasting until about midnight as we head towards your Tuesday, because we'll be dealing with this frozen precipitation that does continue to fall. On top of that, though, we do have wind. This right here is a gale warning until about 5 o'clock as we head towards later this afternoon because of gusty winds stirring up the ocean. So it is a mess out there. Look at all this. This is not a good situation at all with freezing rain. That's what this purple is indicating. The radar can confirm freezing rain. It's falling right now with a little bit more of a wind shear mix further off towards the south and east. So this is not great. So if you are traveling today, it's highly discouraged if you can help it, because we'll be dealing with that freezing rain with a half an inch or less of ice before we're all finished up as it continues to track in from the east. Going toward the west, power outages will also be an issue. Keep the roadways free for emergency personnel. As they do, we'll still have to make some calls throughout the rest of the daytime period today. Here's the area low pressure that will move away from us, so this will start to end, especially as we head towards the latter parts of tonight and the parts of tomorrow. So things will begin to improve. It will be rather short-lived, but just enough to be causing some problems with this winter storm that does continue to develop. But a lot of freezing rain on the way for us today and sleet and such, so be watchful of that, switching over to some snow later on tonight. And look what happens by tomorrow. Futurecast showing a better picture with maybe a little bit of a wind shear mix, mainly as snow. But we'll keep that slight chance for a little bit of snow going as we head towards your Tuesday and the parts of Tuesday night as well, as more that could develop. But the worst of it definitely taking place today. As for the ice potential, here we go. Look at this. Some areas can see up to a half an inch or less of ice before we're all finished up. And this is on top of what's already fallen. So we need to be very careful out there today if you do have to be out. If you don't have to go out, stay home and be careful and be prepared for possible power outages. But on top of that, though, general rainfall. Some areas can see up to an additional inch or so of rainfall before we're all finished up. This is on top of what's already fallen as well. And then here we go as well with a little bit of snow on the way with a few inches or less before we're all finished up. So again, we'll need to be careful with all of this that does continue to develop. So your forecast for today looks a little bit like this. We have lower 30s on the way, freezing rain, sleet and snow, some power outages on the way as well. North wind getting up to about 30 miles per hour. Moving ahead towards tonight, 28 degrees. That freezing rain, sleet and snow will be possible. North wind getting up to about 20 miles per hour. And for tomorrow, mid-30s, mostly cloudy, slight chance for some snow. The northwest wind getting up to about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Scott's Recreation extended forecast. Slight chances for snow continuing to Wednesday. Highs in the upper 30s for dry Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid 30s, lower 30s back on Friday with a chance for snow showers.